Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 severe weather outlook. You have to excuse me again, I'm still fighting a cold right now, so just bear with me here in the video. Anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather today that covers southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, much of Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. Cities in today's slate include Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Thornton, Colorado. And we have two marginals today. One covering parts of Wyoming, parts of Colorado, the parts of the Panhandle of Texas, the eastern part of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, northwestern and northeastern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, western Missouri, parts of Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, far southwestern Iowa, southeastern North Dakota, and west central Minnesota. Second marginal today covers southeastern Missouri, the very far extreme northeastern tip of Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and southern Illinois. The marginals today include Kansas City, Missouri, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, St. Louis, Missouri, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Going to today's tornado threat. We have a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses northeastern Colorado. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Evans, Colorado, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. And there are two areas where we have 2% tornado risk areas for today. One covering southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. The second 2% tornado risk area today includes South Central Illinois, southwestern Indiana, and southwestern Kentucky. So, the 2% tornado risk areas today include Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Evansville, Indiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF1 today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area, but still in a tornado risk, are mainly EF0 tornadoes, okay? Cities in the black dashed area, the only city included in the black dashed area is Fort Morgan, Colorado. Alright? Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers southeastern Wyoming, northeastern and east central Colorado, parts of Nebraska, much of Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Thornton, Colorado. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers extreme southwestern Minnesota, parts of South Dakota, southeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, far southwestern Iowa, parts of Colorado, parts of Kansas, western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, northeastern and western Oklahoma, the eastern part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and parts of the Texas Panhandle. Really? And the other 5% today encompasses southeastern Missouri, far northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and southern Illinois. Excuse me. The 5% wind risk areas today include Kansas City, Missouri, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, St. Louis, Missouri, and Lincoln, Nebraska. And there's a black dashed area here. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today from thunderstorms. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Okay? The black dashed area today includes Helena, Kansas, Kearney, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, Hastings, Nebraska, and Sterling, Colorado. And go to the hail threat now. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and parts of Kansas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Thornton, Colorado. It was a 5% hail risk today covering parts of the Texas Panhandle, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, western and northwestern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, parts of Wyoming, most of Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, and western Minnesota. The 5% hail risk areas today include Colorado Springs, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Topeka, Kansas. And there's a black dashed area here. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, within the black dashed area. Alright, black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. And areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright? Shades in the black dashed area today include Aurora, Colorado, Centennial, Colorado, Greeley, Colorado, Parker, Colorado, and Brighton, Colorado. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms with large to very large hail, severe wind gusts potentially above 70 miles per hour, and a few tornadoes will be possible today from the front range east-southeastward into the central plains. Isolated severe gusts and hail are also possible in parts of the southern high plains, northern plains, and mid-Mississippi Valley. An isolated hail threat may develop toward the end of the period in the northern plains, high plains. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe and affect areas today. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.